Objective 32 is to expand a single bracket. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at those 7 questions. Okay, so the question is to expand but also simplify where possible. Sometimes we can, sometimes we can't. Okay, if we look at the first one, we've got 3 multiplied by the bracket 2x minus 1, which means we've got 3 of whatever is in the bracket. So we've got 3 2x's, 3 times 2x is 6x, and then we've got 3 minus 1's. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Number 2, we've got minus 4 times y, so minus 4y, and minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. Number 3, we've got c times 5c. Well, c times c is c squared, so we've got 5c squared. And c times minus 2 is minus 2c. Number 4. Here we've got a bracket, but we've got something before it. Order of operations would say we would do the multiplication first. And this is when you've got a bracket you are multiplying, you're doing 5 times this bracket, or minus 5 times the bracket. So we'll leave the 7 and we'll do our multiplication. That's minus 5 times h, which is minus 5h, and minus 5 times minus 1, which is positive 1. And then the question does say to simplify where possible. So here in number 4, we've got like terms. 7 and the 1 add together to give 8. So that's 8 minus 5h. Number 5, we've got t squared times 5t. So t squared times t would be t cubed. And then we've got 5 of that, so 5t cubed. And then t squared times 7 is 7t squared. Number 6. Here we've got 2 sets of brackets. Each bracket is a single bracket and they're multiplied by a 4, and this one's multiplied by a 3. So we do them individually. 4 times 2x, 8x, and 4 times 8 is 32. Then we do 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. We can collect the like terms. We've got an 8x and a 3x, simplifies to 11x, and we've got 32, take away a 6, which gives us a 26. And number 7, again, 2 single brackets, which needs to be expanded. The first one times in that bracket by 10y. So 10y times 3y. 10 times 3 is 30. And y times y is y squared. 10y times 8. 10 times 8 is 80. So 10y times 8 would be 80y. In the second bracket, we've got a minus 4 there, times by y. Minus 4 times y is minus 4y. And minus 4 times minus 2, a negative times a negative is a positive. So positive 8. Like terms, we've only got these 2 terms that are like. There's only one term with y squared, so it stays as it is. 80y plus, or 80y minus 4y is 76y plus 8.